Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students, grade 6. Today the lesson is about introduction to Flash 8. What I want to explain is about property inspector. Sorry. Anything you can add to Flash document is called an object. Either it is image or lines or shapes or even text. The property inspector is a panel that displays the property of the selected object, that is positioned on the properties tab at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see the property inspector, just please select the window menu from the menu and click on properties and then properties again. Now we'll talk about grids. Grids is a system of intersection horizontal and vertical lines on the stage. By default, it is not visible, but the grids are helpful when you want to use a graphics. It makes you a good adjustment of your images and your text. To display the grids, just simply click view and choose grid, then it will show grids. By using rulers, the Flash window can display a ruler on the top of left side of your stage. To show and hide rulers, just click view rulers. Simply, the default measurement unit for the ruler is a pixel. Saving and opening your document. This is the steps to save your Flash files. Steps are very easy. Just click File, Save As, and then the Save As dialog box will appear. Type the file name, then click on the Save button. Flash file is saved with .fla extension. Flash file saved with .fla extension. Now the steps to open again your saved Flash document are: just click on File, Open, then open. The dialog box will be appear. Select the drive and the folder, then click the Open button. Thank you very much. That was the lesson for today.